Welcome children, Sai Ram. In today's class of EVS 1, we will continue with chapter number 8, Our Need for Water, part 4. Now children, before we proceed further, just a short recap of what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned that living things need water. There is water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops and for industry too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water. Let me repeat again. Living things need water. There is water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops and for industry too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water. Now children, let us discuss questions and answers. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words in the brackets. Children, you have to select the words given in the brackets. Okay? The words are bathe, keep, important, thin, seeped, wild, farms, live, village, thirsty and urine. Now, let us start. Number 1. Water keeps the blood. Now children, select the appropriate word from the bracket. Yes, you are right. Thin is the correct word. Water keeps the blood thin. Water keeps the blood thin. Water keeps the blood thin. Now next. Number 2. Animals dash in water. Now children, identify the correct word. Yes, you are absolutely right. Animals bathe in water. Animals bathe in water. Animals bathe in water. Next. Number 3. People take care to provide drinking water for the animals they. Now children, think, try to recollect the correct answer. Yes, you are right. Keep is the correct answer. People take care to provide drinking water for the animals they keep. People take care to provide drinking water for the animals they keep. Next, number 4. We have to go to the watering place in a forest to see dash animals. Now children, select the correct answer. Yes, you are right. Wild animals. Is that clear? The correct answer is wild. We have to go to the watering place in a forest to see wild animals. We have to go to the watering place in a forest to see wild animals. Very good children. Next, number 5. Water is very dash in the lives of people. Children, what do you think? Yes, you are absolutely right. Water is very important in the lives of people. Very good children. Water is very important in the lives of people. Water is very important in the lives of people. Next, number 6. Roots of plants absorb rainwater that has dash into the soil. Now children, identify the correct word. Yes, you are right. Roots of plants absorb rainwater that has seeped into the soil. Roots of plants absorb rainwater that has seeped into the soil. Roots of plants absorb rainwater that has seeped into the soil. Very good children. Now, next, number 7. Unwanted substances leave our body through. Children, select the correct answer. Yes, you are right. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. Is that clear? Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. Next, number 8. When there is lack of water, we get. Children, tell the correct answer. Yes, when there is lack of water, we get thirsty. Is the correct answer. When there is lack of water, we get thirsty. When there is lack of water, we get thirsty. Next, number 9. People from dash wash their clothes near river. Now children, from which place do people wash their clothes near river? Yes, you are absolutely right. People from village wash their clothes near river. People from village wash their clothes near river. People from village wash their clothes near river. Now, next. Number 10. Farmers water the crops in their dash. Children, select the correct answer. Yes, you are right. Farmers water the crops in their Farms. Farmers water the crops in their farms. Farmers water the crops in their farms. Now children, let us proceed with the next question. Question number 2. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pod. Let me repeat again. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pod. Children, is it true? Yes, it is true. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pod is a true statement. Next, number 2. Digestion of food in the body occurs due to food. Digestion of food in the body occurs due to food. Children, is it true? Yes, it is absolutely true. Digestion of food in the body occurs due to food is a true statement. Next, number 3. Crabs does not need water. Children, crabs does not need water. Is it true? No, it is false. Crabs does not need water is a false statement. Now, next, number 4. We need to water a garden more often in winter. Let me repeat again. We need to water a garden more often in winter. Is it true? No, it is not true. It is false. We need to water a garden more often in winter is a false statement. Next. Number 5. Plants need water to live. Plants need water to live. Is it true? Yes, it is absolutely true. Plants need water to live is a true statement. Now children, let us move on to the next question. Question number 3. Underline the correct word. Number 1. When we get a cut, it bleeds or feeds. Children, identify the correct word. Yes, you are right. The correct word is bleeds. So let us underline. Yes, when we get a cut, it bleeds. Next. Number 2. Animals or shrubs take bath in water. Children, who takes bath in water? Yes, you are right. Animals take bath in water. So, let us underline the correct word. Animals take bath in water. Next. Number 3. Roots or leaves of the plant absorb water from the soil. Children, what is the correct word? Yes, you are right. Roots is the correct word. Roots of the plant absorb water from the soil. So let us underline the correct word. Yes, roots of the plant absorb water from the soil. Next. Number 4. Water chestnut grows in water or land. Children, identify the correct word. Yes, Yes, you are right. The correct word is water. Water chestnut grows in water. So let us underline the correct word. Yes, water is the correct word. Now, let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. Number 1. In which different forms is water present in our bodies? The answer is water is present in our body in the form of substances that flows like tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood. Next. Number 2. Why do we drink water? The answer is we drink water to make the body function properly, to keep our blood thin, to digest our food, and to remove unwanted substances from our body through urine. Next. Number 3. Why do cows, buffaloes and goats come to the source of water? The answer is cows, buffaloes and goats come near the source of water to drink water. Buffaloes also like to bathe in water. Next. Number 4. How do we know that water is present in plants? The answer is from grated cucumber and lemon slice, juice oozes out. There is watery juice in many other vegetables and fruits. This shows water is present in plants. Next. Number 5. Why is farming not possible without water? The answer is crops need lots of water. If they do not get water, they will die. So, the farmer has to water the crops regularly. Farming is thus not possible without enough water. Next. Number 6. Why do big cities need more water? The answer is many people stay in big cities. There are industries too in big cities. The need of water increases due to urban life. Therefore, cities need more water. Next. Number 7. From where do plants in forest get water? The answer is the rainwater seeps into the soil. Large trees spread their roots far and wide. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Next. Number 8. Why do we go near water hole in a jungle to see wild animals? The answer is wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So, people too go there in order to sight the wild animals. So, children, thank you very much.